Hey, John Murphy here with the Reserve Team at Homesfinder Realty. Today you're going to find us at Four Seasons Carolina Oak. It's a Hovnanian community and we're in front of the Donegal. The Donegal is an awesome model. A lot of our clients love this model. It's bright, it's open, it has everything people are looking for, and I want to get you in there and take a look. Okay, you can see why everyone loves the Donegal. The Donegal comes in at just over 1,700 square feet. As you saw, it has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, beautiful master. And what everyone loves is a spacious, bright, open kitchen. Again, look at the size of this island. Imagine your friends gathered around this island at your next get-together. No better way to wrap up the Donegal tour by going in the beautiful backyard and the scenery on this particular model. This one has a beautiful lagoon view. We're showing the extended patio and of course the covered patio that comes with this model. So if you like what you saw, please remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and remember to come see us with the Reserve Team, Homesfinder Realty. We would love to help you. Take care.